Hello friends and potential friends. Well, today's my day to play in the mud. I gotta get this ditch dug out, get the mud dug out of it before the water starts flowing tomorrow. So I'm gonna get at it. Well, I think that's about it. Got the mud cleared out that's been collecting. I had to take out about 2 feet of mud and silt. Not 2 feet, about 1 foot. All the way down. From that pipe down at the far end back to the fence, and about 10 feet past the fence to the first dam. No doubt there's more stuff out here that could be cleaned up. That's the little trench that runs out into the pasture up here. Probably could dig that out a little bit, but to be honest, I'm tired of digging. And there's those weeds that are growing out here. Oh, and by the way, I discovered this morning that, well, last year my mom had so many pumpkins she didn't know what to do with them. And it looks like this year is going to be a repeat of that. But my little sister threw the pumpkins, these extras, out here in the pasture, mainly hoping the cows would eat them. But we got pumpkins popping up all over the place out here. There's one right there, another one right next to it, there's a few more right out here, more there. They're getting plenty of water because I got the water running out here. And we're going to have pumpkins up the gazoo. Oh boy. But that's enough playing in the mud. I shouldn't have to do that again this year, but I'll probably have to do it as soon as I get back next year. So I'm going to wrap it up, and I'll see you next time.